God damn it.
God damn it.
Karibu goko kwa Njĩra Njĩgwe.
Ni ndikuta bomu na ndakinya na ndamukora inywe mwe goko na ni ndi haha. God damn it.
Wani warari na tuire tugokoja.
Magai. Yeni riu ngugikatia ngukiaria nao riu.
Niguhota nie kurugama haha ko ni uramani no.
Riu agikorwo ri munini ri kana urathirira na thiini.
Tokorwo.
God damn it. No ngimenya. No.
Wow. And I witnessed your performance and it was so nice. Congratulations.
Nashukuru. Ni maundu ma Ngai arogocwo hingo ciothe. Yeah.
Wigua gati riria ura perform na ni ura get that kind of audience. Andu ni marakenerera nyimbo iria uraina na kio.
Gucokeria Ngai ngatho first of all. Alafu nilizaliwa hivi. No ndaciarirwo uguo. Ndaciarirwo uguo ni andu na Ngai riu ngugika atia. No tucokeria Ngai ngatho. God damn it. God damn it.
Wow. Umuthe kuma muthenya wa Kikuyu Love Session na ni uduria ni da witness hakwa ni ati andu aria aige mokete ni mbeũ njithi, one you being one of them as the young nini embracing the Kikuyu nation. Kwena mundu we kou jana ni ugaga nasikianga na ciongeangi tamwire kiugo kimwe
mwathani agocwo. Ini todo gutakire mundu toy gucokia mwathani agocwo. Uigwa mauga agocwo rege agocwo anene you know, but we are trying to like bring back the culture, especially there has I would say there has been a disconnect between like the Gen Zs and the millennials. Millennials are a little bit conversant with Kikuyu and everything, unless maybe you are actually not living in the country, but urigiuga ni atiriri turageria gucokia rwe mukaro na ni ruracoka. Yeah, and maundu-ini mothe Ngai aheo goci.
Ndona we mundu wa kanitha biũ.
Ti kanitha ni witikio.
Na ni undu mwega muno.
Yeah.
Ni challenge iriku we wita mwini ukumbanaga nayo kana uhitukanaga nayo we na kuja?
Ni nyingi expectations za watu. Kuna expectations za watu, kuna pia expectations zangu, and usani is all about getting a balance nigetha maundu matigakihitane kana mathie uria mangithie, but challenges ni mingi. Ni mingi ukwendwo ujethe go chai.
Thank you, I loved I must do that.
Kwendwo ujethe tuone ni atia. Wauta kuma hau na newspaper nyima in the headlines Wanjine challenges.
Kumbe ni mingi.
God damn.
Thank you muno. Thank you for your time. Thank you nikwetekera kwaria na Njĩra Njĩgwe.
Ninda kena tondu wa kuhe platform. Thank you for this platform. Maze humbled. And a big shout out to my fans out there wherever you're listening from. The modete tab bomb. God damn.
Thank you very much. Nijitako Jerry wa Dongo. Netwerekane.